Hey everyone, welcome back to Jabara. It's Barb, and today I wanted to bring y'all along with me while we organize the pantry.
Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all?
So I ordered the food storage containers on Amazon and they came really fast. They're really nice, airtight. They show you on the box what all comes with it. And you get just an assortment of sizes, tall, large, medium, small. And I really like this box because of all the different sizes on it. And I also got this one over here. It's just a little smaller, but I figured I would need more. And so I got those, especially for the big tubs down there. And so that's a pack of 6 that you can get. And this is what they look like. And one of them came with the marker and the little stickers to put on there. So that's what this looks like. It's just really convenient. I like it. And you can always change these stickers up if it's not your style or whatever, but it just went with my farmhouse. And then they also send a little cup, and I have been using that for my coffee and I really enjoy that. So anyway, I got all of those on Amazon. So now I'm going to take y'all over here and show y'all the disaster in the pantry. It's horrible. I have just been throwing stuff in here. For a while, I didn't use the pantry. I was using the cabinets, but it just got out of hand and I had to utilize the pantry space. So I've just been throwing stuff in here. I hate the way it looks. I hate that it's not organized. It's a mess. So I wanted to just show y'all how I was going to go ahead and organize this bad boy, declutter it, and get everything back in order. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. I did this at night. I couldn't wait to get it done. I was so excited to see it all done. So we're going to go ahead and tackle that now.
Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting.
So now that I got them all out of the packages, you can see how many there are, and there are quite a few in these. And I think the total of this came out to about $100, which isn't bad for both of them, maybe a little under that. But now it's time to hand wash all of these. You can put the containers in the dishwasher, I believe, but the lids you have to hand wash. So I just decided to go ahead and hand wash all of them before I put the food in there. So we're going to go ahead and do that really quick, and I'll just speed it up so we're not here all night like I was.
Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
So So now that I got all those washed, I'm just going to start taking all of the food from the pantry and putting it here on the island so I can go ahead and clean in there and wipe it down and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to take everything out and throw it on the island real quick.
With his humble lack and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings.
So now we got everything taken out of there. I just wanted to show y'all how messy it was, and I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this up really quick. And then I ended up taking some Murphy oil soap and wiping it all down, and I forgot to record that, but I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum it now.
Long ago, every bit of it couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble.
So now that I have the pantry all clean and wiped down and everything, I'm going to go ahead and start drying the containers, and I'm going to go ahead and put the food in the containers. The only thing that I can say about the labels is I don't know if they're going to last, because it's been a couple weeks ago since I filmed this video, and I have noticed that we get different things when we go to the store. So sometimes I just take the sticker off and put whatever needs to go in there in the container. So that's the only thing. I would just kind of label them to where they could be a little more universal. But other than that, I really enjoy having these. It's really nice, especially when I'm going to buy groceries. I can see how much we have of everything, and it just makes it a lot easier to take inventory and know exactly what I need from the grocery store. So I do recommend these, but like I said, I don't know if I'd use the stickers. Clearly you can see what's in there, but like I said, maybe make it more universal. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put this food in here, and then we're going to go ahead and put it nicely in the pantry, and y'all are going to see what it looks like. And I absolutely love the way it turned out, and I hope y'all do too.
I grew up and I'm bitter, 0 out of 3 no more. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out the way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long, been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and the worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. I never said I was ready, but ready for what comes ahead. You said that you were with me, I wonder how we did forget. Some days were forever, and now it's been too long, been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and our worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snap.
Okay, so now we're almost done putting the food in the containers, and I'm actually going to go ahead and make the labels now. I'm going to show y'all how I did that. I just wrote on them. My penmanship is not as great as it used to be. I used to have beautiful handwriting back in the day, but I guess we just use phones and computers so much now. I really don't take the time to work on my handwriting, but I just went ahead and did it, and I mean, you can read it. I might go through later with my Cricut and make it nicer, but that's when I have time, if ever. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how I made the labels real quick, and then we'll put it in the pantry.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. Everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want.
So once I was all done, I realized that I had a couple of containers left over, which was perfect because I wanted one for my coffee beans and my ground coffee. So I'm going to go ahead and do those right now, and then I'm going to show you how the coffee bar turned out. So that's going to be about it for this pantry makeover. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope it got you motivated, and I will see you on the next one. Love you all. Take care of each other. Bye, guys.